gentlemen, the last 3 weeks you'll be learning about the Dash Avatars. Well, guess what? Standing ovation for these Dash Avatars. Standing ovation, that's what they deserve. For the last 3 weeks, they've been looking after your children, showing them what a true Dash Avatar is like. I think you can do better than that. So let's do it again. So, એક વખતે જ્યારે કેમ્પમાં ના આવે એને આપણે કેટલા મિસ કરીએ. 1994 જ્યારે રક્ષા પટેલ અને હું સમર કેમ્પની વાત આવી હતી કે શરૂ કરવાની એટલાન્ટામાં પહેલી સમર કેમ્પ છોકરાઓ માટે. એ જે પહેલા દિવસે એ ટાઈમે 17 છોકરાઓ આવેલા અને આજે 19 વર્ષ પછી 250 કાઉન્સલર થઈને છોકરાઓ આવે. રક્ષાબેન જે સેવા આપી છે છેલ્લા 18 વર્ષ સમર કેમ્પના, આ પહેલું વર્ષ એમને સેવા એમની બાપુજી માટે આપવા જવી પડી. જ્યારે એક વખત કેમ્પમાં ના આવે બધા છોકરાઓ, મા બાપ, કરેક્ટ વોલન્ટિયર્સ, કસ્ટોડિયન, પ્રિન્સિપલ દરરોજ ના પૂછતા હોય રક્ષા ક્યાં છે, રક્ષા ક્યાં છે. એટલે કેમ રક્ષાને મિસ નથી કરી, કેમ રક્ષાને મિસ કરે છે. આ પહેલું વર્ષ છે જે રક્ષા કેમ્પમાં નથી આવી શકી. Okay. Over the past 3 weeks, your children and yourselves have been learning about the Dash Avatar. I'm sure you've been reading my emails. I'm sure you've been getting daily updates from your children. They've learned about the stories related to the different avatars, the yugas related to each avatar, and most importantly, what we can learn from each incarnation of Vishnu as a take-home message for all of us in our daily lives. Values such as love, compassion, controlling your anger, and putting our pride in its place. For those of you who have sent your children to camp in previous years, you will know that along with the religious and spiritual theme, we also teach good leadership with human values. This year, we concentrated on preservation, accountability, and responsibility, challenging the campers to be on par. We tried to teach the children that we have a duty to preserve our culture and our environment, just as Lord Vishnu is the preserver. Through this, we taught the children all the stories related to the Dash Avatar. It is the duty to preserve our culture, and the only way to do that is to learn about it. In fact, all the prayers that were taught were also related to our theme. Each of us are accountable for our thoughts, words, and actions. We teach the children that if you take an action which is not good, that's you. If you think of words that are not nice, that's you. This is the A in the park. This was a perfect way for us to reach out and teach the children about bullying. It is important for the children to know that there are many ways to bully someone. For children to know that there are many ways to bully someone, not just physically. And in remembering the principle of omnipresence of God, we taught them that even a bad thought is harming the God within all of us and all of you, all the grandparents, all the siblings, all the mothers, all the fathers, and their friends. So we should watch our thoughts, watch our words, and watch our actions. We also tied in the law of karma. Teach the children that we and only we are accountable for our actions. And not only that, but also that we are held responsible for our actions. So stay away from all kinds of bullying. For the final letter of R, we taught the children responsibility. We covered responsibility towards parents and siblings, responsibility towards studies, responsibility towards Mother Earth and preservation and recycling, responsibility towards serving the community, and responsibility towards not wasting money. We reached out to all age groups and made sure they were on par. I am sure that your children have told you that we are in fact in the Kali Yuga, and that is professed in our scriptures that Vishnu will reincarnate as Kalki avatar to restore the decline of dharma in this present era. It was a camp this year to step up to the plate and take charge. We need not wait for the Kalki avatar. We don't have to get there if we can change our thoughts and words and actions now. We have the power without any help, because all the councils really. We have the power to discriminate and make good choices. And in the past 3 weeks, that is what we have to try to teach your children. Ladies and gentlemen, these counselors who have selflessly been serving your children in helping to preserve our culture, ensuring accountability and responsibility in the duties at the camp are the crusaders for the future. They're holding the torch and, more importantly, passing on the torch. We would proudly like to say they are on par. These counselors you see today have taken great pride in camp. Year after year, they give up 1 month of their time to learn lifelong skills and apply PAR. For example, I'm sure your children got the PAR cards home. They gave out 700 PAR cards in 3 weeks. What did they learn from that? They learned how to give compliments. It's very easy in our day-to-day life just to complain about everything. But how many times do we give compliments in a day? Both are C-letter words. Why not choose compliment over complaining? So that's what we taught them, how to give compliments and be grateful and thankful for everything that the children and the other counselors are doing at camp for them every day. They were so grateful that even on the field trip, they were giving up PAR cards to the staff at Callaway Gardens and Savannah, where we stayed. And the staff at both those hotels were amazed as to how well behaved the children are. As parents who came on the field trip, They saw for themselves how dedicated and determined they are to give the best to their children. I would like to call Tejal Ben, please.
Be short and sweet, but I was one of the parents that went on the trip, and we had a phenomenal time. And it wasn't just because of the kids; it was a lot of it had to do with the counselors. I was there, I was around, but they didn't want to be with me. They wanted to be with the counselors, and I had no problem letting them be at the appropriate times because they took such good care of them. The counselors, you guys did a tremendous job. I mean, you may not think what you're giving up is much, but it really is. And we appreciate it. I know a lot of us appreciate it, but on behalf of the mothers who went on the trip, and people who carried our bags, who carried our kids, who fed them, who picked them up when they fell, or any other 1,000 things that happened, you let us mothers have a great time. We made friends with each other because you guys entertained our children and allowed them to have a good time. So we have made you a certificate that says the world's best counselors. Thank you for being a wonderful role model and inspiring our children. We are proud to have you as our children's counselors. And this is our appreciation from, I don't want to miss anybody, Rita, Auntie, Falu Auntie, Como Auntie, Shota Auntie, Gita Auntie, Preeti Auntie, and myself. We gave you AMC points. Thank you very much.